language is musical.
Yes.
And I'm a believer of the fact that sometimes if I know something, I have to share it with other people. And if I can share it with other people, they will learn, because everything we know, we learned from someone else. And if they know more than me, I will learn from them. So it's a win-win, both cases, both sides. When it comes to speaking and actually reading out loud, it's very important to focus on the fact that the reason we do these demonstrations is just to let you speak more. You articulate the sound more, you say things more, you practice more, you exercise and work out more, you stretch your mouth muscles more, and you train your voice. You're coming from a musical background, so you really believe that the best way to make a better sound is to practice more.
Mm-hmm.
So I really like the second time you said it. I'm an English teacher and I have a small family. So I have a very busy daily routine. First, I get up every day at 6:30 a.m., get washed and dressed and leave for work by 7:30. I get to school at 8 o'clock. I prepare my lessons, then teach until noon. The other teachers and I always eat lunch and talk together in the teacher's room. I teach again in the afternoon, and then I correct my students' homework and tests. After I get back home, I help my kids with their homework. I have 3 kids in elementary school. The names are Aaron, Sheikh, and Furat. Then I do exercise, eat dinner with my family, and watch Superman TV before I go to bed at about 10 p.m. We love to watch NBC shows. Finally, I read a story in bed with a few minutes before I fall asleep. For a few minutes before I fall asleep. Let's practice it again. What do you think?